I will appoint somebody, and that person has to give different sounds. Go!
Kick the ball! Pass the ball! Go!
This beautiful things I see in nature is the next thing I like in nature is
Aqui é o homem, é menino.
Hi, I'm Tekro Keson. The most interesting thing about the summer farm school was a session on bees and butterflies. Indeed, the session was quite interesting. Apart from sessions, an outing on the drum cultivation was really awesome. I came to learn about many varieties of plants. The outing was no less exciting.
Well, my name is Ezra Mercusio. I think I like the most in this summer farm school was the topic which was based on soil health and IPM, that is integrated pest management, by the senior scientist Ma'am Lisa, because she told us many vital things, how to make the soil fertile and protect the organic plants or vegetables which we sow in our fields or garden to protect them from pests without using any pesticides.
Hi, I'm Nizulu Hef. I came from Hini Village. The most interesting things during this summer farm school was a field visit to drum cultivations because it gave a lot of experience. I also saw many plants, vegetables and fruits which I haven't known before. It gave a lot of goodwill and remained a cherished memory. Thank you.
I am Tsuzuko Timuro, and one thing that I like the most in this summer farm school is that beekeeping. Actually, it's because our sir is very active and always making me awake and interesting in both classes and practical. And I have learned many good things from him. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Teniwata.
And the thing I like most about this summer farm school camp was the session on bees, because I came to learn that the bees plays a vital role in the process of pollination. And also I came to know the fact that the bees dominate 70% of the world's pollination.
Hi, it's me, Sojira. The session which I liked the most during this summer farm school was the session on understanding our natural world and food chain. I like this session because it gives me the knowledge of the environment, some effects, and also some suggestions which I can contribute to the ecological imbalance. Thank you.
My name is Kevin. I came from Kohima. In this summer farm school, I like the most interesting is the visiting the fields, because it was my first time and I had experience in putting the big paddies. And also I like to encourage those people who didn't learn still how to cultivate now before it's too late. If we work by now in your generation, then you are saving your future generation. Work but not with those chemicals which destroys the land, water, human, and all the living things. Lastly, I would like to give thanks to the Northeast Network for bringing me here, because I've learned lots, not only the cultivation but also about the environment and also the medicinal plant, which is helpful for us. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Lina Kolo. There were so many activities that I enjoyed this summer camp, but the activity I enjoyed the most was the paddy transplantation. It was my first experience and it was very enjoyable and fun. Not forgetting that it gave me vast knowledge about things I never knew. Now I know where my food comes from and the importance farmers are for survival. I thank Nan for this amazing experience. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Pilotupi. Most interesting thing in this summer frame school is when we went to paddy field for transplanting, because from there I learned many new things that is really helped in my life.
Hi, my name is Eriko. The most interesting thing about this summer farm school was actually getting to learn about bees. Actually, I've heard a lot about bees and pollinations, but besides that, I didn't really know much about bees and about how they pollinate. It was also interesting for me because it was my first time getting to see them so close and then actually getting to touch the comb.
Hello, my name is Tekiulo Chura. I'm part of this Summer Farm School 2017. The interesting thing about this Summer Farm School 2017, which I attended the last few days, is beekeeping, which was taught to us by Mr. Kikong, which is a really good orator, and then he brings up the topic to a whole new different level, which really excited us, and then taught us the beauty of bee farming, beekeeping, and the pollination they did for us, and how they play a vital role to our environment.
Hi, my name is Menele Chira and I'm a part of this Summer Farm School 2017. The one thing I like most about this Summer Farm School is the session on beekeeping. When we think of bees, we think only of honey, and that is not so. They also play a vital role in our environment through pollination, and we also learn that they do not attack us unless they are threatened. So we need not kill them, but instead try to protect them. And this whole experience has been a fruitful one for me, and I have also learned the importance of organic farming. So I request you all to eat, think, plant organic. Thank you.
My name is Komaseo Topi. The one thing I like the most about this summer farm school is getting to know about the importance of bees. Why bees? Because they help us in pollination, and also they provide us with so many things that we need and we require for our day-to-day life. As Albert Einstein said, man can only live for 4 years if honeybees have disappeared from the world. Thank you.
Hi, my name is David. And the one most thing I like in this summer farm school is visiting to the June cultivation.
Well, my name is Romero and I'm from Suzumi. At first, I was not willing to join this summer farm school. I tried to make an excuse and escape, but I couldn't, so I just came and joined this summer farm school. After I joined this summer farm school, things have changed a lot in me. I found myself interested in learning about nature and insects, but I like the most is like learning about medicinal plants. It is very important and useful to know about the medicinal plants. When you fall sick, instead of going to the pharmacist and buying medicine, we can use the medicinal plants.
My name is Wetsokotopi. It's a very good opportunity to be a part of this summer farm school. I've learned so many things which I have never learned before. This summer farm school is an interesting one because it is not just about sitting and learning, but it includes many practical works. So the most interesting one is, which I have learned, is the topic of dream cultivation, which becomes very important in our everyday life. At first I thought it was not that important, but after Nan took up such programs, people become more interested to cultivate different kinds of plants in their dream field.
Hi, my name is Tekha Kolong. For me, this Summer Farm School 2017 was a very extraordinary experience. It was the first time visiting the paddy plantations and actually planting paddy with my own hands, and so it was very thrilling. I learned that each and every one of us play a very important role in conserving our biodiversity and environment, and I will gladly and happily share my knowledge and put my words to action.
Hello, my name is Betu Latsu and I'm from Koima. The one thing I like the most about summer camp is the field works, because this is my first time and learning how to put the paddy led me to a deeper understanding of the concept and the act of doing and personal experience. I've also learned that farmers play a major role in sustaining our traditions and livelihood, and we should savor and thank for every meal that we get. Thank you, Northeast Network, for this wonderful journey.
See, my friend, I bought this new fertilizer from the market. It's so cheap and very effective. See how my plants are growing. See how tall they are. Do you want some, or do you still believe in organic farming? This is very, very slow.
No, thank you. I still believe in nature, that nature can do its work.
Let's see.
Immensely in understanding our nature and ways to protect it. It has also helped us to get back to our roots and to see our culture from a whole new perspective. I would like to extend my thanks to the Northeast Network for organizing such innovative programs such as this Summer Farm School. I would also like them to wish the best in their future endeavors. It has been a wonderful and fruitful experience for all of us. Thank you.
Now I think you are capable, you have ability, you have potentiality, you developing. Not only studying in the classroom, but vocational is also very important. Let us not be a nominal student, be a dedicated student, so that one day or other day, you'll be one of the person